Let me show you in this quick video how you can install any website as an app on your Windows PC. You can also add the website as a shortcut on your desktop. And now the first step in the process is to come to your Google Chrome browser, and then you'd want to go to the URL of the website. And in this case, I'm using the spaceship.com website. And once the website is fully loaded, come to the ellipsis menu on the top right corner of your screen on your Chrome browser, and then over on Cast, Save, and Share, and click on Install Page as App. So confirm your preference on the pop-up, and immediately the website is going to be installed on your Windows as an application. Now, if you go to desktop as well, you'd see that you now have the desktop icon as a shortcut on your Windows. So that's how to go about installing just about any website as an application on your Windows PC. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.